and I ordered some stuff from Amazon. So I wanted to do what I got from Amazon. So it's nothing special. I know I ordered some stuff. I think I ordered a new tripod, but I'm not like, why that? Now I'm wondering like what made me order it, because I got a ring light in my house. So I think the tripod is for me to like go outside and try to do my shoppings and stuff. This tape getting better and better. Oh, all my things came. So, let's see my face. My face is not. Thing is ready. So I got these. I got brushes. Hold on, my mom. I got brushes. I'm trying to do a YouTube video. I got brushes, and me like I'm trying to get into them whole makeup thing. If I gotta start doing YouTube every day, all day, my face can't be looking like this. So got brushes. Got these for $9. I remember I got these before. They didn't come packaged like this. Why you looking at me? Y'all gotta get out. I'm trying to do a video. Stop putting it. So, I remember, y'all wanna know how old these is? I remember when I bought them inside when I was in college, all the way back in 2019. Not so old. I was a freshman. I bought them, but they didn't come packaged like this. They came on nice and pretty, and I think they came in like a bag. They only come in plastic. But they got a brush for everything. The only two brushes I use, and they came with instructions. These don't come with instructions. Only brush I use is this one. And some other stuff. So I'm trying to learn how to do makeup. That's it. So, and the next in my little handy box, I got bunnies for my baby. Huh?
You got drugs.
Bonnet. I got 3. It was all little bobby pins, but she ain't get it. So I got 3 bonnets for my baby so she can start wearing when she go to sleep. How do you open it? You start wearing them, and then I don't know. I think I looked at this got anything. So 2 little bonnets. Got that color. I don't know what kind of color these is. So I'm just gonna say that color. And then I got this. I think. Oh, these little birds. And then I think this is my favorite. I got this color. Yeah, so I got this from Amazon. And then last but not least, with this whole video is for my little handy dandy tripod. It's for my phone, so when I go to Sam's Club, I'm supposed to go shopping and that. So when I go shopping and stuff, I can have it. So everything is supposed to be like, I keep dropping stuff. So it's supposed to be like something I can hold. I can put my phone, not right there. So, shh. I don't know how to work it. I know. I don't know how to work it. But I think we'll put this little thing off. Nope, that's not it. Nope, not it at all. But, oh, it's right here. Can you stop cussing inside my video? I'm in the middle of a sentence. I can't take that part out. So, Earl, I swear to God, I'm posting this. So, better help me blow up, because I swear to God, you ain't getting a dime. You're gonna be broke. So, I don't know how to break this, but I want to try it. To do. don't know how to work it at all. I'm sorry, this is unprofessional. I got an unprofessional baby daddy.
Professional one that trying to help you.
No, you ain't helping nothing.
Because you ain't listening.
Yeah. This thing really not working. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's try that because I don't know what I was doing before. But this is not going in at all. Like, why is not going in? So it's supposed to be like this. I got it a little bit. I'm gonna fix it later. So I've got phone right here, and then this can go up and down. Wait, no, this goes sideways. Where's the part that go up and down? Because I know it extends. That's the whole reason I got it. Well, not the whole reason. I really wanted something so I can hold it like this. And my camera. Because doing this, like holding it with my hand, makes it freaking hurts. Everything hurts if I hold it with my hand. So, but I know it extends. Like, where's the extended part at? Oh, here we go. So, I go all the way up. Like this. And then I go down. I think I want to keep it like this though. Because it's like face to face. I can have my own like this. Instead of being up like this, I can have it down like this. And perfect little thing ever. Hold it like this. So, all that being said, all my things back. All that being said, this is what I got. Bluehorn? I think the name right here, but I don't think y'all will be able to see it. I don't know. Bluehorn is a remote-only smartphone, not cameras. I don't know how it's gonna work with my smartphone. I don't think I would need it for that. I just need something to hold, honestly. And it says it extends like this. I think it's good for me. I was looking for it. I think I got it on Amazon. Don't quote me. For about $20. I know every time like saw something similar in stores, it was like $30, $40. I remember I went to the Microsoft store. That stuff said $60. I said I can get this from Five Below for $10. I was like, what the heck? I got that. I got bonnets, and then I got brushes. So everything gonna be in the link down below. And that's what I got today at Amazon. Come back tomorrow.